Good morning, everyone.
Another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
I have a plan. I am inspired because I'm about to visit Maryland again around the Halloween time. We're going to the Packer game, which that's going to be super duper fun. But anyway, meow. Milo's like, what's this about you going to Maryland without me? Milo, I thought you would have known because of the suitcases on the floor. It's a quick trip. I'm only gone for like 2 full days. So my sister and a friend of ours, we were planning on getting together on Saturday night just to kind of hang out and stuff. We decided because it's spooky season, it's the weekend before Halloween weekend, and we decided maybe we should do some fun, festive dress up kind of a thing, but not like costume dress up. I don't know if you guys have heard of DisneyBound outfits, but it's like outfits inspired by a character. You just kind of pick and choose from your wardrobe or buy things to piece together for an outfit to represent a character. The point is, we decided, drum roll, please, I'll wait. We are going to dress up Disney-bound outfits inspired by the Sanderson Sisters from Hocus Pocus.
Come on, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Our friend is going to be Mary. My sister's going to be Winifred, and I'm going to be Sarah. This is just so exciting, and it completely inspired me to do this video because I have no idea how I'm going to do Sarah's makeup. I don't know if I want to do like her makeup or more Disney bound. So I was planning on playing with that this morning, seeing what I liked, and show you guys the outfit that I've come up with. With that in mind, I can't just be like, oh, this is my Sanderson sister outfit. No, you can't just do one. So I went around my outfit literally just now before I picked up the phone and started recording, and I found outfits for each of the sisters that I think really captures their essence. No, seriously, based on the clothes that I have in my closet, I found an outfit that I think would be a really cute Mary outfit, and I found an outfit that I was like, oh my gosh, if this isn't Winifred, I don't have anything for Winifred. So I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna get set up, do some makeup. I know you guys are so excited about the makeup, but I'm gonna speed through montage it. My hair's a little wild today. It's looking like a mane. I'm not even gonna lie. I figured this is kind of like the perfect Sarah hair because her hair's kind of wild too. I'm talking too much. I'm ready to get started and I can't wait to see the final results. All right, guys, I'm gonna do specifically Sarah. For those of you that get that reference. Anyway, in this corner right here, because why not? I'm just executive choice. Boom, Sarah. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. So the picture I'm working from, I have not watched this tutorial video. I'm just going based on what I see. So I'm just gonna play, have fun. Let's get started. guys, you have no idea the amount of anxiety I have having my makeup this dark. It's very grungy. It's very like 90s, which, you know, the movie. I will be the first to say I am not good at this stuff. I had fun with it. I'm having fun with it. For all the imperfections, I feel like that's kind of on theme with witchy. Anyway, I had fun playing, and that's what this is for. This is me experimenting. It's fun, and that's all that matters. I'm sharing it with you because I trust you guys, and I'm hoping you get a kick out of it like I am. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my outfit and show you guys my DisneyBound Sarah Sanderson. All right, guys, I feel so silly. I cannot say that enough. This is my Sarah Sanderson outfit. I think it kind of gets her personality being like kind of out of it and super goofy and crazy, but super fun as well. I think it's a really cute outfit, and I'm gonna have fun wearing it when I'm in Maryland, dressing up with my sister and friend.
Sisters!
Yes, Winnie.
Yes, so this is Sarah. I'm gonna start getting this makeup off, and then I'll do a couple hairstyles to go with the other outfits I'm excited to show you. Okay, see you soon. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm a normal human being again. Okay, so kind of get a sneak peek of Mary's outfit, and she's the only one with bangs, so that's kind of fun. She has like kind of a crazy hairdo. I'm gonna play with a high pony. This is Mary. Yeah! I'm having so much fun. Milo's on my chair. I would say he's Thackeray Banks, but Milo's orange. But we can pretend because it's Halloween. Okay, so this is my Mary look. I feel like Mary is not only the quiet one, but she's also very caring about her sisters, at least. Definitely not kids.
I smell children.
She's caring in the sense of like, Winifred's so worried about getting everything done, being the leader, and she's so focused on the task at hand. And then Sarah's just off in her own little world. And the only one who can kind of check in on everyone, make sure everyone's kind of like doing okay, is Mary. This is just meant to be kind of like sweet, timid, mild, and unassuming. I think that's an excellent word for Mary. Yeah, so this is it. I kind of like the ponytail. I might keep that for the day. Next, we have one last look. See you soon. I am winging this one. I've never done this before. You would think me being from the 90s and growing up in the early 2000s, I'd be used to this, but I'm not. Oh my gosh. This is the final one. I think it just says it all. I thought that this would be fun for her because if Mary doesn't have goofy hair, then she definitely does. And what more fun way than to go with space buns, right? All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for indulging in my silliness, indulging in my fun. It was really fun to just kind of play dress up from my own closet. I hope you guys have a very spooky Halloween. I hope you enjoy trick-or-treating, and I will see you next time. Sadly, October's coming to a close. It's so hard to say goodbye. Is it time to put up Christmas decorations yet? You decide. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Bye!